This is the topic that we started last week. It's about applying differential equations, and this is about applying derivatives of exponential functions. Today the topic is about half-life of some materials such as plutonium, uranium, carbon-14, and so on. So one example here is about half-life of plutonium, Pu-239. is about 24,360 years. Half-life is the number of years that takes an element to decay to half its life. So the question here we have today is about how long does 10 grams of plutonium 239 take to decay to 1 gram? And using the equation that we started last week, the equation was y is equal to y sub 0 e k t. In this case, y will be mass of plutonium. Y sub 0 is the initial mass. The initial amount is 10 grams. So that will be y sub 0. You say y sub 0 is 10 grams. So you substitute 10 grams for y sub 0 to get y is equal to 10 e k t. Now we want to know how long it takes 10 grams to decay to 1 gram, but we have to use the half-life of plutonium-239. Half-life means how the number of years it will take 10 grams to decay to 5 grams. 5g is half of 10. That's what this means. So it's right here you say y is 5 grams when t is 24,360 years. So this is what you substitute for y, and this is what you substitute for t. And now here we go. 5 is 10 e 24,360 k. As you can see, the only thing that we don't have is k. You'll be able to solve for k now. But before you solve for k, divide by 10. So each side by 10 to get 1/2 is equal to e 24,360k. And now you can take ln of each side. We know logs, drops, exponents. This is what I mean. ln of this side, ln of that side. These 24 will be dropped up front. Now we have ln of 1/2 is equivalent to negative ln2. You do the math. So now we have 24,360k lne. And we know that lne is 1. So this turns out to be negative ln2 is 24,360k. So the only thing that we don't have is k. All we have to do is divide by 24,360. So this implies that k is equal to negative ln2 over 24,360. And this is approximately equal to negative 0.1234, and then we have 2, 8, 4, and that would be enough right there. So we have k, and now the next thing is to substitute k back into this equation up here. Now this part of this, you have this in your notes. It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going right there. Now I'll do this. On the other side we have, now we substitute K. This is K right down here, back into that equation to get y is equal to 10e negative 0.00002.845 t. And you want to know how long it takes 10 grams to decay to 1 gram. And now we divide by 10 each side. So by 10, and we have 0.1 is equal to e negative 0.0002845 t. And just like what we did before, take ln of each side. So this will be ln, ln logs drops exponents. So we have ln of 0.1 will be equal to negative 0.00002.845 t, and we have ln e, which happens to be 1. This cancels to 1, and now we can divide by this decimal number to get t. So this implies that t is ln 0.1 divided by negative 0.0002845, and this turns out to be 80934. Yes, 80,934 years. Thank you.